Welcome to the Slow Home Studio. January is stair month, and today we're going to be moving up the complexity scale slightly and looking at open riser stairs.
I love open riser stairs, and when we were looking at this topic, there are a whole bunch of different ways to detail open riser stairs, going from very simple to very complex. So we thought we would look at something that's very simple. And the most basic type of open riser stair is when you have two solid wood stringers that act as the structural support of the stair, and then the treads are also wood, but they just span between the stringers themselves.
That's right. So what's missing in this from a conventional closed stair are the risers. So the first step in making an open riser stair is to just eliminate the riser.
Yeah, exactly.
One of the advantages, of course, of an open riser stair is that you can take it out of that enclosed stair volume within the walls and actually have it as a free-floating sculptural element. And that's one of the reasons why so many people like these stairs.
Yeah, it's very lofty in appearance. Now this is, of course, a little bit more complex, and this is where we've removed the stringers. So this is an open riser stair, and you can see that the wood treads are supported on a central base of support that runs all the way up the stair, but there's no side stringers. So the openness is actually on the sides between the wall and between the stairs themselves.
And basically it's a move towards more and more abstraction in the way in which the stair is being detailed.
Right, and here, of course, is the same type of stair, a little bit more complex because it wraps around a corner, but there's a steel center base of support, and it's got a spine, and then the treads are placed on top of that spine.
Just about every commercial building built in the 70s has got one of these. We've got one in our office, as a matter of fact.
And now they're cool, of course, in the modern context. Now, this is more complex. These stairs, the treads are actually solid wood, and they cantilever out of this concrete wall. You can see there is actually no central base of support down the center and nothing on the side. There's actually a steel dowel that was installed in the concrete wall, and then the treads are installed on top of that.
This is very, very difficult and very, very expensive to do. And then finally, we've got another version of the no stringer, no riser stair, where actually the treads just span in between the two walls. And so there is a support, but it's hidden and concealed.
Yeah. So if you'd like to learn more about the principles of slow home design, you can also follow us on Facebook.
See you next time.